Because mine has 30, 33, 29, 33. Okay?
That's the thickness of the edge, Timothy,
That's
right?
the thickness of the edge.
In thousandths of an inch.
Direct DC.
Oh, wee.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Hossy? That one was going to the races, people. When I roll my edge, I like to be very close to the wheel because it comes off relatively straight. If you come back here, you see how it's cupped? So what's going to happen, your blade will be not straight. Sharpened, not straight. That's approximately 25 power, 20 power. Y'all can see here the mild bevel that I put on there. Okay, that's called a secondary bevel. I do the same on this side. There it is again, okay?
Now, Tim, are you applying more pressure in the areas where you know that it's thicker?
Yes. Some people like to roll their edges right here in that crease. I've never been able to keep it in there. So here I go. I'm going to begin the blend. Notice how it is rolled here. Y'all see how the edge is rolled? I flipped it over to the other side, the dark side. Everybody has a bright side and a dark side.
Beautiful, Timothy.
Coming along?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's the burr.
That's the burr. Okay. Look at it. You can see the burr.
Burr. B-U-R-R.
You see how the feather is?
Wire edge.
Can y'all see it? Can you see the wire edge?
Yep.
Y'all can?
That's what you want.
No, look at it, how pretty it is. Making me happy.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Thank you. I want the height of the spur to be the same.
Hold on. I see the burr.
All the way.
All the way, okay.
That's what we want.